Alright, now here goes. All around the country, coast to coast, people always ask me what I like most. I don't want to brag, I don't want to boast. I always tell them I like toast. Yeah, toast. Yeah, toast. When the first caveman came from the dregs, he didn't know where to go with the bacon and the eggs. Must have been a genius, got it in his head. Plug toaster in the wall, buy a bag of bread, make toast. Yeah, toast. There's no secret to toasting perfection. Just set the dial and make your selection. Take a piece of bread, put it in the slot. Squeeze down the lever and the wires get hot. You get toast. Yeah, toast. Yeah, toast. Ho 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 ho. French toast. Ho 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 ho. French toast. Alright, if I had a bulldozer, everything would be so fine. I would never have to move it over, never have to stand in line. If I had a bulldozer, there'd be plenty of parking places. I would look for that stupid SUV that's been taking up 2 spaces. If I had a diesel engine with a big old blade, dredged just like a tank, I would have it made. And arguments would cease, 'cause everyone would know I'd squash 'em like a grape. And if I had a bulldozer, my application would go through, and the boss would run to get my coat if I told him I have to leave by 2. I'm looking at the world through flies' eyes, looking at the world through flies' eyes, and you can just buzz off. I think I'll land on some cow manure, then I'll land on some poop du jour, then I'll land on a squashed possum, and then I think I'll land on your potato salad. Ew, that's disgusting. Buzz, 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 buzz.